Hey guys, welcome back to Olson's Garage. So this is going to be a really quick one. I have these purple shrouds that I found off a 96 KX125. It was a parts bike. And I want to put them on this bike because obviously purple seat, purple graphics, purple grips. And the problem is that they were all, the threaded part, now you'll see there's a trick in there, but the threaded part was all ripped out and all messed up. So I was thinking to myself, what could I fit in there that's a little bit bigger? These little things. These things are great. What they are like little rivet nuts. So basically, you put them in this little tool, you put them in a blind hole, and then they crush on these lines here. And then they get stuck in there. So you don't have to put a nut on the bottom side every time. You can just thread them into here, and they're stuck in the bore. Well, what I was thinking is if I put one of these in here, because they're bigger, if I put it in backwards so it pulls against this ridge here, and then I just take some Gorilla Glue and glue it in there, I think that'll work. So we're going to try that today. And as you can see, I have it stuck in there already. It was kind of a pain in the butt. I had to bend this up a little bit. But we are going to push it all the way out, and you can see it doesn't sit perfectly flush, but we're gonna maybe grind that down just a little bit, just so it's nice and flush and it'll fit on our bike just perfect. This is what the other one looks like since I got this one installed, and I think it's sweet. I think it's pretty cool looking. So getting that purple in there. So we got kind of two different shades of purple. This is a little bit lighter, this is a little bit darker, but this dark purple matches here, and this lighter purple kind of matches this stuff. So I think it's pretty cool, and we'll keep it on the bike for a little while. If we hate it, then we'll swap it out to something else. But we're gonna glue this in here and stay tuned to see how it turns out. All right, so here we are 2 days later on the glue, and it adhered really nice, actually. I think if I were to do this again though, I would use some clear epoxy rather than like this Gorilla Glue. I got this clear Gorilla Glue. I would probably use clear epoxy. I think it would probably stick in there a lot better. I think this will work. And then obviously you're going to be pulling it from the backside, so the nut pressure, like this backside is going to act as the nut. So I think it'll hold in there just fine. But yeah, epoxy. We're going to shave this down and throw it in the bike quick. So I'll shave it down. I'll show you guys. We'll install it, and we'll be ready to ride this thing at Megatrax on Sunday. So Sunday the 2nd. So this is going to be awesome. I get to finally test this thing out with our rebuilt forks, our new pipe, these cool new plastics, the seat I'm really excited about. So it's going to be awesome. So let's do this. I can officially say it now. My first project of the year is done. Like done. There's nothing else I really need to do to this bike. We got our new pipe, we got both of our radiator shrouds in there, we got our new plastics on. Everything on this bike has been touched or looked at or gone through and repaired. And this thing looks absolutely awesome. I'm so excited about this. We're gonna be riding at Megatrax on Sunday, March 2nd. I don't know if this will probably have ridden by the time this video comes out, but I am stoked. Project 1 down. Project 2, Project 3, Project 4 is outside. That's Duramax, and then we got the camo truck. But we'll get there eventually, one step at a time. That's it. That plug worked perfect. I ended up putting it on the top on this side because then you don't touch that bolt as often. You're not screwing it in and out, and it worked out perfectly. It's nice and flush in there. It's got enough threads and everything. This worked out great, and from back here, it looks awesome. I'm very stoked about this. The purple isn't exactly perfect, but it's enough purple to make this bike look really, really sweet. So that's it. We're done. We're riding this thing Sunday, so we have less than 72 hours before we're going to be riding this thing and testing it out. Thanks for watching Olson's Garage, sponsored by Olson's Performance Center. Check me out on Facebook. Like, subscribe, share with your friends. We'll see you guys next time.